Hey guys.
Hello. Welcome to today. Are we live? Okay. Welcome to today's stream, and I think you read the title. Today we're gonna just go ahead and learn how to. We're gonna do a follow up on the Discord bot making from last week. Except this week we're gonna be using the Python programming language, which is a language that a lot more people learn to use when they first start programming. So, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So, first thing you're gonna want to do is, first thing you're gonna want to do is we're gonna go to developers, Discord developers, portal, so we can make a new bot. And hold on, give me a sec.
We went over this last week. If you
Yeah,
guys
we
didn't
went
see it,
over this
yeah.
last week, but okay. Wait, can you Jaden, can you how do I? Okay, you want get? Sorry,
Should I just give you a token?
Wait, is it like blank right now? Okay, can you check? I don't want people like accidentally seeing my
Yeah, it is live. It is live.
No, but is it blank? Because I don't
right
want
now?
people seeing my two-factor authentication key thing. Because I'm logging in.
It's like lagging, but yeah.
It's black.
It says
Okay.
like Authy desktop or something.
Oh, okay. Wait. Do you see something right
Okay,
now?
yeah. Okay, now it's black. Now it's black. Now
Okay,
it's
cool.
black.
Just making sure. I don't want it. Okay, cool.
So what we're doing right now, basically,
I was
is,
just logging into
we're
my
making,
Discord.
We're making a token.
All right. So now we're just gonna make a new application, and we're gonna call it Discord bot. Okay, so this is our application. It's not actually our bot yet, and we're gonna go in here and we're gonna make a new bot. And let's do it. I'm gonna give it a name. I'm just gonna call it Discord bot. This is your token. I'm not gonna reveal it. Go ahead and copy it. Make sure nobody else sees your token, because what we just did is we made an account for our Discord bot, and the token is sort of like the login info. And if you give someone your token, they can use that token and then do whatever they want with it. They can make your bot do things, and you don't want that, especially if you have a big bot and tons of servers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy that. You can click the reveal if you want to see yours for real, but definitely don't share it anywhere else. If you want to make your bot open source, make sure to get rid of the token before you upload it to GitHub or something. Just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
It's like your bot's password. All right, next we're gonna, assuming you don't have it already, we could go ahead and install Discord. So open up your CMD, and go ahead and enter pip install Discord.
Discord or
And I
Discord
already have it
PR.
fully installed, but if you don't, go ahead and install it.
Wait, is it discord.py or just
No,
Discord?
just pip install Discord, because it
Alright.
automatically assumes the py thing is at the end. All right, next we're gonna just import Discord, not discord.py, just Discord. That's like putting it into our program, so we know that to include it in the thing. All right, next we're gonna do client equals. Hold on, I forgot how to do this too. You check the boiler code. Okay. Holy.
So would it be like would we have to import something just like Node.js?
Yeah. I forgot how to open it real quick. God, this is not good. This is not good.
What do we do? Like import Discord?
Yeah.
Something?
Just import Discord for now, and I forgot how to use it.
You just initialize. I think just do client is equal to discord.client.
Yeah. Okay. So client equals discord.client. Wait. What? Is there okay?
I'll
And
follow
then
along.
And then do at client.event. So like what
Yeah, yeah.
what's
No,
doing
we're
is
not
that
gonna.
it's using
At client.event. Sorry, I'm kind of rusty. Wait.
So it would be at client event would be like a function or I mean like an event handler or something.
Yeah, so what at client event does is at is usually used for decorators.
Function.
It's called a decorator, and it's basically what it means is that it declares something. So in this case, you're declaring like the client event. So like we already declared what client is.
Yeah.
Client is Discord.client.
We can treat it like the context of a function. So like when I declare the next function, define a function, it's just gonna assume that it's in the context of the client.event.
Yep.
Gosh.
So the next thing he's gonna do is gonna declare a function. So like just like def on ready or something like that.
Yeah.
On ready.
I'm gonna go Google.
But before he just just declares a regular function, he will also put an async in front of it, and what that does is that it makes the function asynchronous.
So like it runs by itself.
Okay.
Right.
Here we go. My bad. Okay, now we're gonna go async def on message, and this is what's gonna happen when we see that. Oh, so when our Discord bot sees a message, it's gonna do this. And I think we should just add CTX there, to confirm that. Like,
wait, can the like function names be anything, or does it have to be on message?
it has to be
on message is this. Yeah, it's the specific name.
Someone knows that when there's a message, we're gonna do this, and CTX is sort of like the context of the message, or basically everything about the message, and I'll show you how that works in a second. But first, I'm gonna do content equals message.content, and basically what that does is it takes sorry, my bad. CTX.message.content. And basically what that does is it takes the context and takes the message, and it grabs the content and puts that inside the content variable. And we're just gonna go ahead and print content into our shell. And because I don't really have it set up yet, so at the end we're gonna do client.run and token. Oops. And that's our token that you copied from the Discord box.
CTX is the message.
Okay, CTX is like the context.
CTX is the message. Yeah.
Basically, whatever just happened when that happened. And now we're gonna simply invite our Discord bot. So we're gonna go here, auth 2, I think, include the bot, and I think we're just gonna give it send messages and where's read messages.
Okay, so after
I think it's already there, so we're gonna go ahead and copy that, enter it somewhere else, and I think we should just invite it to the test server, right? This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's invited to the test server.
Let me find that real quick.
So our code right now is supposed to print out whatever we say.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Yep.
Let's go ahead and do whatever it tells you to do. Yes, I am human. Oh my god.
So I think it's called test server. Just test server.
Okay.
And to run it, would we do Python like the name?
Yeah. But first we can see that our Discord bot was invited to the server, and you're gonna in there click whatever server you want it to be invited to. But this is where it is. And as you can see, it's offline, which means it's not running. It's not reading messages, and that's because our program is not running. So I'm gonna go ahead and run our program real quick. Start debugging in the current active Python file.
If you're using like the IDLE that the default Python uses, you can just click F5 or like run.
Yeah.
And it will work as well.
Okay. Change of plans. We're just gonna go here and do it. Python main.py, and it should be running. What is that? No. And as you can see, if we go here, we can see that our Discord bot is now online and it's reading everything. So I'm just gonna send a message. Type, enter, blah blah blah. And as you can see, in our code, it was said that whenever there's a message, it's gonna print the content, right? So then we're gonna go here, and as we can see if this,
So wait, so does it print the? It's supposed to print a message, right?
Yes.
I think we should first do an onReady function just to like, see
Okay,
if the bot's online.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it'd be like client event. Then
Okay, so we're gonna do
function with the
client.event,
name of onReady.
async, def
Yep.
on ready. I believe that is. Wait.
Yep, you can do that, and then just
Yeah.
do print and like logged in as, and then you can
Print
do client.user,
logged in as.
and then client.user.
Plus,
You can probably do an F string for that.
Yeah. I know, but some people might be using 3.6 or something. Client.user. Okay. Pause that. I'm gonna close this.
Yep, you should,
And
should
rerun
work
it.
now. It should show you.
Just do whatever you need to run your program because my thing, my setup is kind of messed up. Alright, that's where I watched it. Okay, logged in as Discord bot 1476. So, as you can see, our
I think it
onReady
showed the error
workbench
message in the
is logged
CMD
in.
as well.
Yeah. If there is an error, it shouldn't like really stop the program. It should just error handle. But there we go. We got the onReady thing working. I have no idea why the other thing isn't working. So
If you type a message, it should show
Wait.
you an error. I think.
okay. So we're gonna get rid of this now because it's actually no, we're not gonna get rid of it. We're gonna change the CTX to message because apparently that's what it is. And then we're just gonna print message dot content. Wait, is it? You think that's how it works?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna type something. And as you can see, it just printed out the message content of whatever we printed. And Jaden, can you like type something in the chat? And see, he just typed that, and here it is here. Okay, so we got that. Now I think we should be able to split our thing into commands, as you can see in popular bots, where they have a command prefix, like this, or so you might see something like help or something like so. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set a prefix variable. I think I'm just gonna have a bot and with a space. Next, we're gonna split our message into spaces. So I'm gonna do content equals. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna get rid of that space there. Message.content, and then we're gonna words equals content.split, and we're gonna split everything into spaces, like so. Now, if the first thing in words is our prefix, and if the second word is, I don't know,
Okay.
I guess we could do ping.
Yeah, we can make a pin command.
Yeah, and I guess we could do message.channel.send. Oh, I think I'm gonna. And client.latency, because that's the ping. And assuming there's no errors, I should be able to run it.
I'm pretty sure the latency, client.latency
Yeah.
is like the heartbeat ping. I don't know what it means, but
Yeah,
think
there we
that's
go.
what it is.
Oh, and that's the latency in milliseconds, so I think we should multiply it by 1,000. And rerun it.
Oh yeah, the latency in seconds, not those.
Yeah. That's the latency in seconds, not milliseconds. And you know what? I might as well just use F strings. If you don't support F strings, then don't use it. But
What's
am I
an F
doing?
string?
okay, so it's like a string formatting tool in Python. or you can have an F, and then we could put brackets around a variable or an evaluation that we want to put, and then after that we can put the string. So assuming the latency is like 1, then it should be like 1,000, and then we're gonna add milliseconds at the end. So just gonna go ahead and run our program. And bot ping. There we have it. 34-ish milliseconds. I assume that's a decent latency, but obviously you might want to upgrade your server if you want it to be higher. So
yeah,
I guess we could add another command here. We can just keep on adding new things. I guess I'm gonna do a who am I. And then
and after that, would that like display
all dot send.
Yeah, would that like, display all like the information of like the person?
Yes. That's what I'm gonna do. So we're just gonna do message dot author, and that should return your name. Control C. Okay, I guess that won't work. No. Okay, it should be online, and I'm just gonna do bot who am I, because that's what we set here. And assuming there's no errors, it should send back who I am. No? Whoops.
I just want to tell you guys, every
turbo.
single time like you encounter an error, it's not that bad, because you can just always search it up online. Because it like chances are like you aren't the first person to get that error. So
yeah, so you can just go ahead and look it up. Chances are when you're first starting out, it's just like you did a typo or something. So you might want to look there, but I don't know. It should work now. Bot who am I? And there you go. That put my name there. And with this, you can do quite a lot of things. Of course, if you want to search out how to do a lot of other things, you could go ahead and like go online. Go ahead and go to discordpy.readthedocs.io. That's the documentation of this framework, and it can teach you a lot of things. I think there's a lot of stuff you can learn. There's enumerations, roles, so you can manage roles and channels. I think you can also send images, send videos, attachments. You could also there's just a lot of things you could do.
And also like the main thing about Discord bots is that like it's mostly used for like connecting two different things together, or like using like calculations or algorithms in Discord, because like if you create like a command for like to calculate the like a certain math equation or anything like that, it would take much longer to just do it instead of like running a command. And Discord bots, they really making apps and bots like really easy, because you don't have to interact with like the interface or anything. It just looks pretty okay.
Yeah, and remember, making a Discord bot is sort of like... Oh, who's messaging? Okay, never mind. Making a Discord bot is like having a YouTube channel. You know, you gotta have a good idea for your bot. So when you first make your bot, you gotta think, and if you want people to use it, so you might just make one like just for yourself to play around with. But if you want it to get big, you gotta think, what is my bot gonna be for? What is it gonna do? And what is it gonna be good at? And you know, what can it do that other bots cannot do? And I think that's just something you should really keep in mind while you're making a bot. It's like if you want to make a bot for searching up an image for Google, there's already a ton of bots for that. Don't overuse it. If you want to make a music bot, don't do that. It's overused, and people are gonna just use some other bigger one.
Yeah, because like there are tons of bots out there. If you go to top.gg, you can find
I'm gonna go there right now. Top.gg, and there's like, I don't know how many
there's thousands of like bots.
There's
and,
literal thousands.
Everything.
And these are just the listed ones. I don't know how many actual bot accounts there are.
Yeah, there are tons. And
if you're gonna make a bot, Discord bots are really powerful things. They can do quite a lot. And if you are going to make one, you just want to know what is your bot going to do that others cannot do or others cannot do that well.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
of course, as always, you have a world of information right here. Go ahead and search something up if you don't know how to do it. I bet like Stack Overflow, the Discord POI documentation, there's like almost everything you ever need. And that's also why I'm
Yeah.
not going to teach you everything in there because there's too much. So I guess that's going to be it for today's stream slash workshop.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.
Again,
And I hope you guys learned something too.
if you ever need help, just go ahead and ask us in our Discord server. I think the link's in the description. And if you can't find us, you can just go ahead and search it up online because it's always
Yeah,
there.
and-
It's always there for you. The internet's always there for you, unless you accidentally tripped on your Ethernet cable. All right, that's it. See you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe and join our Discord server. And
I also want to tell you guys that we won't be having a meeting next week, and I hope you guys have happy holidays.
yeah,
and,
yes. Happy holidays.
Yeah, and we'll be notifying you on the next meeting.
All right.
Bye.
That's about it. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye. Go ahead and